This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone Ultra 2 runs the correct iOS and the watch has charge. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location for a stable link and keep both devices close. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing immediately. This triggers the camera-based pairing sequence. You do this now so the devices can exchange credentials securely and avoid interruptions. You'll use the iPhone camera to align the animated pattern on the watch face. Hold the watch steady until the app confirms pairing. Next, choose whether to set up as new or restore a backup. Choose Restore to retain apps and settings, or New to start clean. Make sure to sign into your Apple ID so health and messages sync. Then accept prompts to set a passcode, enable wrist detection, and configure Apple Pay. These steps secure your data and enable key features. You finish by allowing the iPhone and watch to complete the sync. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on data. Make sure both devices remain close and, if possible, connected to power to avoid interruptions. Once synced, customize faces, notifications, and complications from the watch app to make the device yours. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices and, if needed, use the manual pairing code option or reset network settings. These steps clear temporary glitches and usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.